Hello, welcome back. In our previous tutorial, we look at how to download and install the Notepad++, but we couldn't use it to run our code because we have not configured it for Java. So today we are going to download the plugin called npp exec. So launch your favorite browser, Internet Explorer, then let's go to google.com and type download npp exec. Then I'll recommend this one for you. So click this, then you download the DLL underscore Unicode, the zip file over here. So I'll start downloading it. Then I'll open the folder location. So this is my DLL underscore Unicode npp exec. So I'm going to extract this. I'll extract it here. So I have this over here. I copy it, Control C. Then now let's browse to local disk C, then program files, then Notepad++. Then before that, if you check the plugins over here, we don't have anything called npp exec. So we move on to plugins, then paste our Unicode underscore DL. Then the next thing we do now is to go to our Notepad++, check whether it has been activated. It's not, so let's restart. So restart Notepad++. So now we go to plugins, npp exec, then execute. Now this is where we write scripts, temporary scripts that will help us compile and run our program. CD, then double quote, go inside the double quotes and type dollar, open parenthesis, then we have current directory, click OK. Then now we need a code that will help us compile the code. We need a script that will help us compile, which is the Java compiler. So Java C. Then we go to the $ again, then open parenthesis, then this time we have file. So type F underscore name. So we save this as run. Save. Then we go to temporary script again. Then let me copy this. We're going to repeat almost the same thing. So I copy this. Then I go to temporary script. Then go inside the commands and paste. Then the next command is Java, which is the interpreter. Then dollar open parenthesis. Then this time we have name underscore path. Now we save this one as run. In actual fact, the previous one is supposed to be compiled, so I have to repeat that. So we go to temporary script, then Ctrl V, then Java C, then we have shift to underscore, we have underscore, then we have dollar open parenthesis, then we have file underscore name. So this is supposed to be compile. Then now we go to temporary scripts. Then now we can write a command that will both compile and run the code for us. So as usual, we paste our cd current directory, then we combine the Java C, open parenthesis, then we have file underscore name, then that of Java open parenthesis, dollar open parenthesis, then we have name underscore path. So we save this one as compile and run. So the same thing, cd, then this time we have applet viewer, then we have dollar open parenthesis, then name underscore path. Okay, then this time we have .java at the end. Then we save this as run applet. Then save. And last but not the least, go to temporary scripts, then we paste. Then this time we have applet viewer, then we have open parenthesis, name underscore path, this time .html. Then we save it as run HTML. Now we save this, then click OK. Now forget about what is over here for now. Now the next thing we do is to go to the settings, preferences, then go to new document, then make sure that you select Java as the default language. Okay, Java as default language, then you close it. Then one more thing, we go to plugins again, then npm execute. We need to check the following: check show console dialog, then we also check follow current directory, then we also check save all files on execute. Now we go to plugins again, then go to npm execute, and the next thing we do is go to advanced options. We select we type compile here as the name, then we choose compile, then add. Then now we have run, then come here and select run, then okay, add. Then we also have run and compile, or compile and run. Compile and run, then come down and choose compile and run. Associated script, add. Then we have run HTML. So run HTML. Then we choose associated script to be run HTML. Then we add. Then now we have run applet viewer, or run applet. Then we have run applet. Let me move this one up. So add or modify. Let me move this one up. Good. Now you check this box, press to macros submenu and click OK. There's a Notepad++ must be restarted to apply some of the options. So you click OK. Then now let's go to macro. You don't see this run compare and things. So we need to restart our Notepad++. So we go to Notepad++. Then now we go to macro. Then we can see that it has been placed over here in the sub menu. So we compile this. There's no error. It says processing finished. Exit code 0. It means you don't have any error in our code. So now we go to macro again. Then now we can run our Java code, and you can see the result. They say error, couldn't find or load main class welcome message. So it means we didn't save this well. So let's go to save as. Then we have welcome message. Never made easy. Then we have welcome message. .java. We save it. Then now we compile again. Then we go to macro again, then run. So we have hello beginner, welcome to Java Make Easy. So that is how we can configure Notepad++ for Java. Now we have set up the ground to start our coding. So see you in our next tutorial.